Here you go. Your food. Your food. Your food.
Thank you.
You got some popcorn. Your food. Your food. Your food.
Oh no! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh god! That's gross! Oh my god! Oh god! Get this! Ooh!
Not off. Please sit in your seat. Sit in your seat. It's pretty. I'm pretty sleepy. I'm just gonna go to sleep.
Dude, what are you doing? Can you get your feet off? Dude, I'm trying to text you. Get your feet off. Legit. Bro.
Let me sleep.
Feet up the chair.
What did I do?
Can you, like, get up? Oh my god. Okay. Yep, okay. Hey, how's it going? Welcome to JetBlue Airlines. What would you like?
Here, I'll have some, that cheese tray. That cheese tray.
Oh, I know. Okay, so that doesn't come in the box, so I'll have to order that for you, okay? I'll be right back. Sir!
What?
Okay, it's okay, everyone. It's fine. I'll go get another box. Hold on. What would you like for food?
1 second. I just need to put my headphones back on.
Oh, okay. I'm sorry. Those are some nice headphones.
What?
What would you like for some food?
A chicken sandwich!
I can't. I have to order that. What do you want as your food?
What?
We don't have that.
What?
We don't have a chicken sandwich. Put the camera down. You're gonna. So, sir,
Sir,
you're gonna crash.
Sir, please, can you sit normally, sir? Sir, are you okay, sir?
Yeah, I'm fine. Plane gonna crash. Is this plane gonna
No,
crash?
it's very rare for a plane to crash.
Okay.
Don't worry.
Can you help me solve like Rubik's Cube?
I don't know how to solve Rubik's Cube. It's fine.
This plane's gonna
Is
crash.
this your?
I swear, the plane is gonna
No,
crash.
no.
The plane's
Calm
gonna
down,
crash.
sir.
Look,
Calm down, sir.
Look,
Sir,
the plane's gonna crash.
calm down, sir. Calm down.
I swear,
Calm
okay.
down.
Sir, are you okay? Get up.
Calm
He's
down.
dead.
Come on, Dora. Dora, it's
my
right
God.
there. Hola, I can speak Spanish. No, Dora. Oh my God, it's Swiper. Swiper, no swiping. Swiper.
Yo, why are you so loud?
It's Quality Dora. No, my phony. Oh yeah, I love singing a song. Oh yes, I am a good singer.
What? Sir.
But I love singing.
I'm really
I
sorry.
love
I'm really
singing.
sorry. Not you.
Fine, I'll just
Stop
be
singing.
quiet.
Okay, thank you.
Don't.
I told you to stop singing. In the middle of a flight? Oh yeah. We're in a flight with this random dude.
Sir,
yeah.
can you please stop taking pictures of random people?
In this flight with this flight
No,
attendant.
please stop taking random
Oh,
pictures.
yeah.
No, please stop taking.
That's
Sir,
outside.
Sir,
Yep.
stop, please.
For sure.
Please stop.
I'm being attacked by this guy, and
No,
it's
no,
illegal.
stop.
I have rights. I'm putting that on my
No,
Snapchat.
Are you serious?
I put all
I'll
my
do that
stories.
too.
Okay, you know what? Here.
No,
I don't want to
you're
record
getting off
here.
the plane.
Okay.
Okay. We haven't even delayed the flight. Everyone's gonna be angry.
This is awesome. Oh my God.
You're
I have rights. Awesome. Yes, I'm glad you're enjoying the flight. Okay. Yep. All right. Thank you.
Hey, sir,
Hey,
sir.
how's it going? Yes.
Can I get a slice of pizza,
Yep.
please?
I will be right back. How's your flight?
Good.
Awesome. I'm really sorry, but the cheese pizzas are out.
What? You are out of cheese pizza! No!